2 wins in 8 games for Xabi Alonso. Jazz, क्या हाल चाल है? किसको शुश कर रहा है? किसको?
I am shushing the narrative which was going around कि Xavi Alonso सबसे गलत है, Xavi Alonso को निकलना चाहिए. I was one of them, but after watching Manchester City का game, I think Xavi Alonso should be in the club. क्योंकि भाई तुम क्या है, मतलब you want Xavi Alonso to go out and get someone else and manage that dressing room which Ancelotti has said publicly and privately to everyone, हैं?
2 wins. ये तो मतलब मेरे को you're sounding like a top red. United fans, ole 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 ole. Jose, Eric Ten Hag, Ruben Amorim. मतलब मैनेजर कभी गलत हो ही नहीं सकता है ना तुम लोग के हिसाब से.
तो मेरे हिसाब से मैनेजर पहले गलत था, बट ये बार प्लेयर्स गलत थे. सी दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. वी हैव चैंपियंस लीग विनर. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है भाई चैंपियंस लीग विनर तो मतलब मेसी एम्बापे नेमार एक पीएसजी की पूरी टीम में बैठे थे, घंटा कुछ जीती. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट्स अ कलेक्टिव थिंग. इफ इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर्स स्टार्ट प्लेइंग, then it's a can scene, then you cannot win. I can say it in today's match, in Manchester City against Manchester City match, जावी अलोंसो का लाइनअप सही था, जावी अलोंसो का टैक्टिक्स सही था, जावी अलोंसो के सब्स्टिट्यूशन सही थे, जावी अलोंसो के टैक्टिक्स भी सही थे ये बार फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. अरे यार
क्या ये 2-1
2-1-2
you lose, your tactics are wrong. You win, everything you do wrong is also right. As simple as that. ये मैंने सीख लिया है. ये समझ ले. तुम लोग जितना कर रहे हो ना जावी अलोंसो को, don't do that. Don't make the manager or any one person bigger than the club.
He's not bigger than the club.
Path in
He's
which
getting
the whole
time in the
narrative
club.
is being shifted.
He is getting time in the club. I'm saying he's getting time in the club to evaluate the players that are going wrong. Vinicius Junior started a very good match. He was trying to get the penalty in the start. That's a game tactic.
This is what he does every match. This is what he does every match. कोई नया नहीं है. वो एक ही हो गया आजकल. End product Vinny Junior is finished. I don't want you to understand his end, because I don't know what is happening. His instructions, he doesn't have the freedom. उसको जब भी रहता है inside वो से
But that's Vinicius Junior's play.
There's no support also for him. But I don't know what is, because at the end of the day, these are some of the best players in the world. Right? Henry ने कल बोला था, there are 2 things to being a manager. One is coaching, second is managing. Coaching and managing, बहुत 2 अलग फर्क होता है. And Jose Mourinho ने बोला था, if you can't coach, if you can't manage the big players, then you can't be a top coach. And Xabi Alonso is right now managing the best of the best of the best players in the world right now, at the biggest club in the world.
So what makes you say that he's not able to manage the players? Yesterday,
Vinny has won 1 goal in the last 10 or 11 games, 1 or 2 goals. वो भी शायद गलत ही है.
अरे बट
रोड्रिगो का पहला गोल है इन, देखो हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम बात किया था, कितने दिन में फर्स्ट गोल? In like 1 year?
250 days.
250, 300 days में first goal he scored now. After 250
बेचारे आदमी को स्टार्ट ही नहीं मिला. He got the start.
खेले हैं बहुत. See the amount of minutes he's got in this season. He's not able to manage his Bellingham injury के बाद. He was back, but now he's feel like jack of all trades but the master of none.
नहीं, I disagree with this. Yesterday the chances that Vinicius Junior should have converted, Jude Bellingham should have converted, they didn't do it. वो बोलते हैं ना बिग गेम प्लेयर्स, वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर. तो आपको, अगर आप बिग गेम प्लेयर्स हो, वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर हो, तो आपको वो गेम में आना है, वो गेम में दिखाना है. चल ठीक है, आपका अगर मैनेजर के साथ आपका नहीं जम रहा है, आप अपना गेम खेल के कर लो. आपने अपना गेम किया. Jude Bellingham ठीक है, आ रहा है, लेके आ रहा है, he's getting the ball. Firstly, Jude Bellingham, I don't understand at times, where does he want to play? Is he a center forward? Is he a cam? Is he a right mid? What does he, or is he a CM?
That is what I'm exactly saying. He's jack of all trades and master of none.
So Jude Bellingham, I don't understand his position, regardless wherever he was playing. Jude Bellingham cannot convert the passes, he doesn't have the vision to do it. He wants to do everything himself. कि अगर वो बॉल कैरी करके जा रहा है, उसको शॉट लेना है, उसको पास नहीं करने का. अगर वो पास करेगा तो लेट पास करेगा. By the time the defender will get the ball. That's wrong. Jude Bellingham should have scored yesterday. Vinicius Junior should have scored yesterday. Not once, not twice, but thrice. They have chances, multiple chances they have. The only player which were playing yesterday was Rodrigo, Carrarez, and बस ये 2 प्लेयर मेरे को लग रहा है.
Honestly, I'll tell you, the team wasn't performing. पहला 20 मिनट खेली है,
35 मिनट प्रेसिंग की है,
4 मिनट खेली है.
हाँ,
पहला 20 मिनट खेली है, लास्ट के 4 मिनट खेली है. उसके बीच में कुछ नहीं खेली है. City dominate करी. City could have easily scored 4 or 5 goals. Let's be real.
Yeah,
We
because
saw
Courtois saved us.
Courtois ने एक गाली उसने गलती कर दिया, but he made up for it more than enough. He saved 3 or 4 goals for
I'm
Madrid.
not bl-
So the narrative that Madrid missed chances, no, even City missed chances, could have been very ugly on the other end if you didn't have the best goalkeeper in the world.
City could not convert the chances. Doku, if you see, Jeremy Doku was trying to come in, and Jeremy Doku was the only player who was trying to create chances from the wing, and he was doing a phenomenal job. But players Asensio and Valverde were trying to block him. And he was the only one जिसके passes Haaland तक जा नहीं रहे थे. First 35-40 minutes तक Haaland को पैर पे बॉल तक नहीं मिल रही थी. Haaland ने के पास भी कल कुछ नहीं आया. I think Madrid, despite of the backline, they defended well. They
Well,
pressed
Haaland
well.
got a penalty and he scored the penalty.
अरे यार वो तो रूडिगर
All
के
it takes
नॉनसेंस
is
की
a
वजह से
moment.
पेनल्टी मिला.
तो वो करना पड़ता है ना. अरे तो क्या हो
क्या
गया?
करना पड़ता है? रूडिगर
Physical
एक
presence
मिनट.
होता है प्लेयर का.
You
अलग सा
are-
he's creating chaos in the box. He's moving. So Rudiger has what option to do? He said, भाई मैं तो क्या करूं? मैं कर लेता हूं. I'll
अच्छा
put
तो
my
मतलब
physical
आप
effort.
अच्छा if you're defending
That
for
is
the
a
top
different
club,
thing. But if Haaland is not there, creating that space, being a physical beast right there, Rudiger is not doing what he does there. So just saying Haaland ने कुछ नहीं किया is the wrong narrative there.
I'm saying Haaland को deliver नहीं हुए ball. I'm not saying Haaland ने कुछ नहीं किया. I'm saying City failed to deliver chances to Haaland, which is why Haaland was not able to do anything. That is what I'm
प्लेयर
saying.
को chances मिल रहे थे.
हाँ दूसरे player को
Haaland था,
chances.
Foden था,
Foden
Bernardo
was
था.
also ghosted, my boss. Foden was ghosted the entire game. Jeremy Doku was the only one who was creating chances. और
Doku तो
midfield
था
में
ही.
आपका-
Doku तो is become like a very, you don't
तो-
know what he's like random. It's
हाँ,
like
he's
absolutely random.
He'll take those.
Yeah.
या तो वो मारेगा लॉन्ग शॉट्स मारेगा, या तो वो कट इन करके, या तो कट इन करेगा, या तो पास करेगा. ये तीन चीज ही करेगा. एंड ही वाज डूइंग एवरी थ्री थिंग्स. सिटी वाज नॉट प्लेइंग वेल yesterday. जो सिटी होता है ना, हम लोग बात करते हैं ना रियल मैड्रिड बैंक ऑन मोमेंट्स एंड बैंक ऑन कमबैक्स. The entire game I was hoping for comebacks. I was anticipating कि अब comeback होएगा, अब एक movement creation होगा, अब एक movement creation होगा. But वो movement creation सारा City करके लेके गई. City was also not playing this well. Madrid used to do this. Madrid ये करती है, पूरा game अच्छा नहीं खेलेगी, but they bank on movements. उनका एक individual brilliance बन के play well बन के कुछ ना कुछ करके हो जाता है. वो City ने कल किया जो Madrid करती है.
But my reality check I want to give to Madrid fans right now. I have seen this happen way too often with n number of managers with United. Okay? For Xabi Alonso right now, every game he has to treat like a Champions League final. Every game from now on. If he loses this Saturday, Sunday, he is sacked. Let me get one thing straight. He is sacked. 2 wins in 9 matches. Bhai, Madrid I don't remember the last time. Do you remember in your distant memory Madrid going
I am so disappointed with the
10
results.
match में 2 win. Real Madrid. This is Real Madrid. Please understand the stature of your club. Please understand what got you here. It is absolute ruthlessness. Ruthlessness to win is what
So
Real
who do
Madrid
you? अच्छा चल, if Xabi Alonso goes, who do you want? Who do you see?
again, don't do this
There
thing.
is no
Who
one.
do you want? It
There
doesn't
is no
matter
one.
who it is. Just because someone is failing doesn't mean कि उसको fail करने दे. Just because we don't have anyone better. This is not the
Because,
right. It's a
see,
footballing
this-
one. 356 manager है. You got that Bournemouth manager who is doing phenomenal job. उसको ले आओ. कोई ना कोई ले आएगा free. You can get anyone. I am sure it's Real Madrid.
It's not
People will
about
like
anyone.
that.
It's about whoever is right now. देखो या तो आप वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर्स ले आओ, या तो आप प्लेयर्स डेवलप करो. ये दो चीज होती है. रियल मैड्रिड वो क्लब तो है नहीं जो प्लेयर्स डेवलप
See,
करने
I am
बैठेगा.
I'm not saving the players here. Players तो है blame लेने का, but Xabi Alonso also has to take the blame. A manager has to stand up. ऐसे तो losses जाते रहेंगे ना. बोलेंगे अरे players ही कब तक wait करेंगे? You gotta wait another 6 months. Are you gonna wait for y'all to finish 4th, 5th, 3rd, 4th, 5th trophyless season, being out in the Champions League in quarter-final round of 16? तब बोलोगे? If you think that Perez is okay with this, Perez will never be okay with this. He is the most ruthless owner. He is the best owner any club can ever have. He is not going to stand by it. Xabi Alonso, Zidane हो, Cristiano Ronaldo, कोई भी हो, वो ये सब नहीं tolerate करता है. Then Madrid
But we're
fans are
still
living
in
a
the
bubble
second
then.
in the league, top 8 or top 9 in the UCL. We still have games in hand. So I feel, and Mbappe, the major factor, Mbappe was not that the person who was scoring the most, I think 80 or 90% above the goals for the last 9 games.
It's
So
ridiculous if he doesn't play. Like, imagine if Mbappe tomorrow get the news Mbappe is in for 1 month, 2 months.
खत्म gone खत्म
Khatam.
क्योंकि players
It's
झंड है मैं
over.
तो वही तो बोल रहा हूँ it's
In
not the
two
manager
matches, second कर रहे हो ना. The only narrative that I see now for Madrid fans is अभी भी second है.
it's
अरे बॉस एक मैच लगता है second से sixth होने में.
hmm.
कल एटलेटिको जीत गए, मैड्रिड हार गई, हो गई थर्ड फोर्थ, एक और मैच हार गई, हो गए सिक्स. इधर से उधर कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो ये नैरेटिव है ना, ये यू सी हिंट्स इट अर्ली ऑन.
right
अगेन
now
नहीं
sorry
सैक करेंगे, मेरे को समझ गया. बट माई थिंग इज मैड्रिड कैन नॉट लूज द सोल ऑफ बीइंग रूथलेस एंड बीइंग रूथलेस टू विन इज माई बिगेस्ट thing with Real Madrid. That is why it is the biggest and the most successful club in the world.
Right now, I would like to just conclude with one thing. Right now, the starter of the club is there is only one man army right now in the club, which is Mbappe, which is working somehow, and the rest 10 players are just there to support the guy to score. And I feel players like Vinicius Junior, Jude Bellingham, Arda Güler, चल ठीक है बच्चे लोग हैं और Valverde, they need to be उनका positioning समझो. They need to be like just keep them in their natural position. You either ठीक है जाबी अलोंसो अगर है ना कुछ चीजों में, अगर वो अपने या तो दो चीज करे, या तो अपनी मिस्टेक्स रेक्टिफाई करके इन प्लेयर्स लोग को इनकी नेचुरल पोजीशन समझ के दे देवे, या तो अगर इन प्लेयर से वो नेचुरल पोजीशन ना खेली जाती है, चुपचाप करके जो मैनेजर बोल रहा है वो खेले. बिकॉज एंशोलॉटी बोल के गया है जो मतलब ही इज नोन फॉर मैनेजिंग ड्रेसिंग रूम, हैज सेड पब्लिकली प्राइवेटली कि भाई जाबी अलोंसो ये ड्रेसिंग रूम वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट ड्रेसिंग रूम है, वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट ड्रेसिंग रूम है मेरे लिए मैनेज करने के लिए. तो तू देख ले, तू कर ले. तो या तो प्लेयर्स लोग सुन लो, या तो अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो मैनेजर की सुन लो. बिकॉज यू आर वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर. इफ यू आर अ वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर यू कैन प्ले एनी टाइम एनीवेयर विद एनीवन. दैट्स हाउ आई वांट टू डू.
Okay, let's hope I'm proved wrong by Xavi Alonso. And let's hope Madrid get back to winning ways, because one thing is for sure, बारसा नहीं जीत सकती है कुछ भी. that is the crux of all conversations.
If Barca wins, sack Real Madrid मतलब white बना के red बना दो.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, he'll come back to this. और मैं बोलोगे मैं as usual. I'm right.
I wanna ask the people who watch this, who is the main problem? Is it Xabi Alonso or the players? Let us know in the comment section below, boys.
Yeah.